Hey guys, how's it going? It's Justin here from Simplified Investing. As you guys can tell from the title, this will be our weekly watch list videos we always do every Sunday. With that being said, there are 4 great plays this week that we have found, as well as the key market updates to help you guys get an idea of where we can see the market trending this week. Before I get started, if you could like and subscribe to our channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you are interested in getting our private access where you get our daily buy-sell alerts, you get our course and more, feel free to check out simplified-investing.com. We would love to have you guys on board. So getting started, you guys, if you've watched previous videos, I really like to watch the market, see if we get any key market insight on the longer term timeframes to see if we can define a trend. So you can see, obviously, a clear defined uptrend here. What we're trying to do here is we're gapping through this 365 region. Now we're just consolidating here. This was a support that we mentioned several times to our team. At this 365 support here, again, you can see the sell-off that we had here on Friday with volume here. So again, you can see we make this run up here. Now we're getting low volume, not much movement, starting to consolidate sideways here. Really what I'm waiting for is a strong bullish candle to confirm that breakout over these 365 highs here. We have yet to see that here. We get this consolidation here. We get some volume here on Friday for SPY, but not a strong buy price action candle here at all. Again, we are starting to consolidate here. We do have that support below at 365 being a key level to hold here to maintain this uptrend move here on SPY with that resistance at that 372.46 high here. So again, key will be, can we get strength and breakout here on SPY rather than just this sideways consolidation with this 365 support? That's what we'll be watching. That's what we are looking forward to into this week with that 365 support and then a 372.46 resistance above. First play of the week, and one hopefully you guys caught last week, mentioned BIDU here when it was at $160 a share. Pushed up to $201 a share. Why follow BIDU? Watch volume. Again, I can't stress this enough, and something that's a key cornerstone into our course is follow the volume. Follow the volume. Trade things that are very liquid and seeing a lot of volume on them. Again, we get a consolidation base for almost an entire year here on BIDU. Now we're having this parabolic move with huge inflow of volume here. I like this consolidation setup here. I do not like this this candle here that we formed on 12/16, this reversal candle or consolidation candle with heavy volume. But I am liking this intraday setup here. It is one that moves quick. I do like this push up here with that base support at 180.94 with the resistance to watch here at 195.62. Trying to form a little cup formation here, long wicks, so very volatile during the day. If you are looking at playing this one, keep in mind BIDU does have that volatility on it. We are waiting for volume in a breakout here at 197.99 with potential to see 201 here. Very strong uptrend move here, moving on volume, looking good into this coming week for a breakout here. Again, key levels 195.62 and then 197.99 with that gap-based support at 180.94. Trying to form that breakout here. We will be watching this one on Monday here. Specifically, if we can break this high a day at 201.11 with volume is going to be key here on the daily chart. We will be watching this one on level 2 as well to see if we can get that volume coming back in or continuing for BIDU here. Second play, one we've also been watching here, crowd having a huge breakout here. Again, what do you look for when you see breakouts? You want to follow volume. Again, we're getting volume back in a crowd after this almost 4 months of consolidation here after that earnings volume. Finally getting volume here, forming that gap up here from 185 all the way up here to 194 with strength to 206.68. Again, you can see here after hours pushing up even stronger on crowd. I do like that. And again, when you do get these gaps up, you do form those new supports and also support at this low of this gap here. When you do have something also pushing to all-time highs, you do have to monitor intraday levels for support and resistances, as these levels have not been hit before. In this case, will be for CrowdStrike. Strongest resistance, you can see at 205.91, gapping up above this after hours here on Friday, so we will see if we can maintain that support at 205.91. and then monitor this play here intraday, as you will be hitting new levels likely, unless we do retest this 205.91 support and then down here at 193.42. Again, gap through. Now let's wait for consolidation or strength over highs here for a further continuation run here on CRWD. Looking very good into this coming week. Again, follow volume, follow the trend. Let's see if, one, we can get a consolidation candle here on this next daily before the next leg up, or if we can make higher high strength over 205.91 will be key here on CRWD within this coming week. The third play, and one we've also been watching here, you do have to keep in mind with this one, very high premiums on fuel cell, FCEL. We were looking at about 110% IV on these option contracts. So if you are playing this one, understand the volatility and the premiums that are going to be priced into these option contracts. Volume, we're getting some volume here. Really what I wanted to see was a gap through of this 928 level here, which we did confirm a breakout here. So we get this initial gap up, this volatility with volume, which we enjoy following and trading volume, right? So we have that volatility coming back in versus that normal amount of volume that we see here. Maintaining this uptrend here, consolidation. Now we're trying to break through here with that new support at 928 here. Let's see if we can get strength over this level here tomorrow with potential to see that 1088 and 1131 level here on FCEL. If we go out on the weekly time frame here, again, trying to set up for a base play here. We get this gap up here, consolidation with lower volume. I ideally want to see strength on this weekly candle over this 11 region for a further run up here on fuel cell and breaking this downtrend move here that we started forming on last March. So again, we get this downtrend here. Let's see if we can get strength on this weekly candle with volume. Again, you can see we're getting that descending volume. We have to follow volume. So let's see if we can get volume here on this weekly over that 1118 price point, heading back to the daily chart here, trying to form this breakout over 928. This will be the key support to watch here for tomorrow with that next resistance above at 1016. Will be one that we are watching and will be monitoring the premiums to see if we can get premiums that won't be as expensive as we have been seeing with fuel cell. The last play, and one that looks great here, is going to be Shopify. Again, you can see Shopify in that uptrend here off of these April and March lows. We get this uptrend here now. What do I like to see? I like to see things with volume, not the strongest volume, but stronger volume on this 1216 candle here. We get this push up. Now we're consolidating, taking out these sell orders here intraday with lighter volume, which means we are still in an uptrend. Buyers are still in control of this. We are consolidating before a next leg up here. We do have that support at 1154 for those of you watching to play Shopify, with those highs at 1206.90 being that one resistance. Again, I like this gap up here with strength. Buyers in control here, as you can see. Consolidation, taking out sell orders for that next leg up here on Shopify. Again, we have that support at 1164 region and then also that resistance at 1206.90. This will be one we are going to be watching within the coming week. I like this gap set up here with volume. Now let's see consolidation, which we got. Now we're setting up for the next leg up here in Shopify. We'll have more expensive premiums. They do typically range between $1,000 to $2,000, playing a little bit out of the money. So that is something to consider here. But this is what I'm liking. Again, consolidation. We get this low volume here. Buyers coming into control here on 1216. Consolidation on 1217, 1218. Now we're trying to make that next wave higher here above 1206.90. We'll be watching here for strength and volume on Monday and within the coming week. With that being said, that wraps up our watch list for this week. 4 great setup plays here. Set your key levels and execute off of them. These will be plays that we are going to be watching for the coming week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And again, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, it would be greatly appreciated. And if you are interested in getting our private alerts, our course, and more, feel free to check out SimplifiedInvesting.com today. We would love to have you guys on board. Have a great weekend, everyone. I look forward to trading with you guys on the team. Thanks.